Hello. Afghanistan. The Islamic Republic of Afghanistan is a landlocked country. It is situated in South Asia and in Central Asia. It has a population of 35 million. The official religion is Islam. The capital is Kabul. Most Afghans are Sunni Muslims. Afghan borders Pakistan in the south and east. In the west, it borders Iran. In the north, it borders Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, and Tajikistan. In the northeast, it borders China. It also borders the mountainous region of Gilgit-Baltistan in the southeast. Geography. This landlocked mountainous country has plains in the north and in the southwest. The highest point is Noshak at 7,492 meters above sea level. The northeast is glaciated. The climate. It has a continental climate with harsh winters in the central highlands. The average temperature in January in the northeast is minus 15 degrees. Summers are very hot, reaching 35 degrees centigrade in low-lying areas in the southwest and in the east in July. Band Amir National Park, Salang Pass, the Kajaki Dam, poppies for heroin in Helmand Province. Afghanistan has numerous rivers and reservoirs. Large parts of Afghanistan are very dry. The Indorek Sistan Basin is one of the driest regions in the world. Snow falls in winter in the Hindu Kush and the Pamir Mountains. However, in spring, 2/3 of the melting snow falls into neighboring countries. There are earthquakes almost every year in the northeast Hindu Kush mountain range. The earthquakes provoke landslides and avalanches during the winter. Resources: coal, copper, iron ore, lithium, uranium, rare earth elements, chromite, gold, zinc, talc, barite, sulfur, lead, marble, precious and semi-precious stones, natural gas and petroleum. Demographics. The population is estimated to be just over 29 million in 2017. About 14 million are females. 78% of the population live in rural areas. There are an estimated 3 million Afghans temporarily living in neighboring countries. Kabul, the capital city, is the only one with a population of over 1 million. Languages. Pashto and Dari are the official languages of Afghanistan. Bilingualism is very common. They also speak English. Kandahar is the second largest city, Kabul the capital city. Government. The Islamic Republic consists of 3 branches: executive, legislative, judicial. Afghanistan remains one of the most corrupt countries in the world. Neither ex-President Karzai nor the actual president Ashraf Ghani is able or willing to stop the corruption or to prosecute government ministers who steal and misuse hundreds of millions of dollars. Administrative divisions. There are 34 provinces. Each province is the size of a United States county with a governor and a capital. There are nearly provincial districts with a district governor. The provincial governors are representatives of the central government of Kabul. Although mayors of cities should be elected every 4 years, because of costs, elections have never been held. Instead, mayors are appointed by the government. The mayor of Kabul is appointed by the President of Afghanistan. Afghan National Police, ANP, in Kunar province. The Afghan National Police is the only law enforcement agency in the country. Every part of Afghanistan is considered dangerous due to militant activities and terrorism-related incidents. Kidnapping for ransom, robberies are common in major cities. Every year, hundreds of Afghan police are killed in the line of duty. The Afghan Border Police is responsible for protecting the nation's airports and borders, especially the disputed Durand Line border, which is often used by terrorists and criminals for their illegal activities. Drugs from Afghanistan are smuggled to neighboring countries by various nationals, but mostly by Afghans, Iranians, Pakistanis, Tajikistanis, Turkmenistanis, Uzbekistanis. The Afghan Ministry of Counter-Narcotics is responsible for the monitoring and eradication of illegal drug business. Economy. The country mainly exports fruit and nuts. The backbone of the economy is agricultural production. Fresh fruits like pomegranates, grapes, apricots and melons, and dried fruits. It is the world's largest producer of opium. As much as 11% or more of the nation's economy comes from the cultivation and sale of opium. Workers processing pomegranates, which it is famous for in Asia. Afghan women in a textile factory, Kabul. Some food. And the literacy among young men is 62%. Among young women, it is 32%. Here are the Afghans in their national dress. Okay, and here are the questions. Bye-bye.